Hi, and welcome back to the Trucking Scribe. It is Sunday, January 7th. It's about 12:30 afternoon. I did the drawing for this, my 1,000 subscriber giveaway journal on Friday, but I have not heard back from the winner, so I had said that I would do another drawing on Sunday afternoon if the first person did not contact me. So I'm going to draw another name, Linda Park 8467. So Linda, look in the description below. You'll see my email address. Send me your shipping information. You have 2 days also. So Tuesday, January 9th at 12 noon. If I haven't heard from you, then we will continue drawing. We have 3 more to go. But thank you and have a great day.